Well, hello and Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to a very snowy Shropshire. I say Happy New Year, it's probably New Year your side of the camera now. This side of the camera, it's not. It's the 29th of December at the moment, and I've come outside. The kids are at the grandparents for the day, and I've come outside to try and get a few little jobs done on the van, including hopefully, fingers crossed, getting the wood liner reapplied. So yeah, come and join me for a little bit and see what we can get done today. This is a very snowy wild Astro.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, so what I have here is the original piece of ply lining that came off this section of the van. I don't see any point in replacing it. It's still in pretty good condition, aside from giving it a bit of a sand to get some of the rough sections off, the rough areas off. I think it's going to be absolutely fine. So I'm just going to offer this up now and see if it needs any adjustments now that there's all this extra insulation underneath. Let's see. No, it seems to fit really nicely. So that's excellent. I'm very happy with that. Bit of a gap down low here, but the metal comes up above that, so I think I can just put an extra piece of ply in there and behind the wheel arch as well, and that'll be absolutely fine. Now, let me just bring you around here and show you. Alright, so I still have the piece of ply that was on this panel here, but obviously because I've put the window in, I need to cut it off round about the level where the aluminium foil stops, just there, and exactly the same on the rear quarter over on this side too. I need to slice it off about this level, just to make it fit under the window there. So I don't have the space today. Because of the weather outside, I don't have the space to get the wood down flat and get it cut properly, so that's not going to happen right now, but it will be within this film. So I'll put a couple of days worth of work in this video. What I need to get together next is the self-tapping screws to go through here and screw this all back up against the bodywork of the van. And happy days, we're getting there. We are getting there now.
Sometimes you need to go step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So I'm losing the light now, but that's ready to be screwed in, and so is the opposite side. Obviously all of that sealant mastic needs taking off with a Stanley blade. I have the piece of wood to go here, but it just needs trimming, as I've just done this piece here. And after that, it's carpet time. Well folks, look at that. We have a ply-lined van. The irritating thing is that now, other than the windows, it looks exactly the bloody same as when I first picked the thing up from the shop. Oh well. I've lost count of the number of hours that have gone into this now, so I know, and anyone watching knows what's gone into this to get it to this stage. So we are almost ready for carpet. All I've got to do now is cover up holes, things like that, aluminium tape over all the holes, just to make sure it's absolutely sound in terms of vapor barrier, and then we shall be ready for carpeting. Happy days. And we're more or less at the end of this episode now. A couple of other things I've done that I'll show you. We installed the switch here for the two rear interior lights. Decided to bring it a bit lower than my mark, just where my hand naturally falls when I put it up there. Obviously you've just seen ply lining is done. And in other news, we have a roof rack. So come and have a look at this. It's been all rubbed back and repainted. Genuine Rhino roof rack. This was a second-hand one off eBay, and it looks the absolute nuts. I am as pleased as you like with that. This plastic bumper is soon to be no more. That'll be one of our next jobs, I think. And there's one or two interior bits and pieces that need sorting out, including the cabin heater. The air vents in the cab don't get warm at the moment. The pipes inside, where they should be getting warm, are heating up, but the air for some reason isn't flowing past them to heat up before it comes out of the blowers, so that needs sorting out. And for that reason, the van is now heading over to my dad's for a couple of days, and he's going to have a crack at all of the little bits and pieces that need the dashboard taken out for sorting. So for now, that's it from me. Next time I see you, the first thing I'll do is tell you about all the bits and pieces that have been done by my dad while the band's been away. I might try and get over there and film some of them, COVID allowing. We're tier 2 here, so technically as long as we're outside I am allowed to go over there. But whether I'll be able to when he's working or not, I don't know, we'll see. But until then, this is Richie for Wild Astro, saying thank you very, very much for following along with this journey, watching this episode. It's always great to have you here, and if you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button below, give us a thumbs up, leave me a comment or question in the comments below, and I will see you next time. This is Richie for Wild Astro, signing off.